Turn a prickly problem into a renewable resource with this fail-safe automatic cactus farm. Welcome back, crafters. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sustainable resources to build a super efficient automatic cactus farm. Cacti are fantastic for green dye and are crucial for a few unique crafting recipes, so let's get this built. Here's the basic layout. We're aiming for a 9x9 grid of dirt or sand. With cacti planted on each block, we'll need a water source powering a hopper system below to collect our precious cacti. First, dig a channel 1 block wide and 1 block deep, running through the center of your 9x9 farm area. Inside this channel, place a water source block at one end. This water will flow and hydrate all the surrounding blocks. Now fill in your 9x9 grid with dirt or sand blocks, leaving the channel clear. On top of each dirt or sand block, except for the ones adjacent to the water channel, we'll place an observer. Make sure the observer's output the little face points away from the dirt block and towards the empty space where the cactus will grow. Next, plant a cactus on top of each observer block. Cacti need a block with air on at least 2 adjacent sides to grow, and our setup ensures this. Here's the magic ingredient. Place a solid block, like cobblestone or wood, 1 block directly above and 1 block to the side of each cactus. When the cactus grows to be 2 blocks tall, it will be pushed by this block, and the observer will detect the change. Now for the redstone, run redstone dust from the output of each observer, connecting them all together. You want to create a loop that feeds back into a single point. At that single redstone connection point, place a sticky piston directly facing the solid block that's above your cactus. When the observer detects a growth, it sends a signal, activating the sticky piston. This piston pushes the block, which then breaks the cactus below. Beneath the entire 9x9 grid, dig down 1 more layer. Place hoppers underneath each dirt or sand block that has a cactus on it. Connect these hoppers in a line, and then connect that line to a chest. And there you have it. As your cacti grow, the pistons will automatically break them, sending them down into the hoppers and finally into your chest. This farm is completely self-sustaining and will provide an endless supply of cactus. Happy crafting, and don't forget to subscribe for more Minecraft building tips.